to Cali and got drunk on the beach. Got a motel in